How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove or disable collisions in Geometry Dash. So I have set this impossible on my level editor, and basically I'm going to turn this level into something like where there's hidden spikes and there's also fake spikes. Basically, you can apply this to all of your blocks. Now, in my case, I'm going to turn this into something like the remove collision feature. To do that, just click on the edit object, or I mean like edit group. From here, select the extra option, which is going to be at the side of the main options, and then select the no touch option. So I'm just going to do this for multiple objects or blocks. So this is going to be the first one. The second one is going to be my second jump. And let's just do the same thing, which is to enable the no touch option. And for the last one, let's just go ahead and turn this into the no touch option. And so if we play out our level, it should go ahead and look something like this, where if I touch the first one, I will die. But if I navigated to the spikes that we have disabled the collisions into, it will then work perfectly. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.